Today we're at Ocean Beach Pleasure Park. Welcome to the United Kingdom Attraction Channel. So yes, that's us in Ocean Beach Pleasure Park. It is the 2nd of May 2021. Joining me today on our phone is Gemma Buckham. She's back. Are you excited?
I am actually.
The weather isn't as good today. It's spitting on rain, so hopefully we'll get lucky and it doesn't rain. You can all see the rides behind us, so it is exciting. We've got a new ride there. I don't know the name of it. A big spinny upside down thing. Gemma's already said she's not going on it, so she might be videoing me on that later. So we have just collected our fun cards, Tap and Play, which are back for the 2021 season. They were started in the 2020 season. They got rid of the tickets and the vouchers and they've replaced it with these. So I will talk about this a little bit more in the vlog later on, and how you go about getting these and how you go about topping them up as well. So we're going to head around the park. I don't know where we're going to go first, but we're going to get our first ride in. Where do you want to go?
Roller coaster.
You want to go on the roller coaster. So the roller coaster is towards the back end of the park, so we're going to head over there. So we'll see you at the roller coaster. So we've just come off Crash Test, which is the Wild Mouse roller coaster here at Ocean Beach. What did you think of that, Gemma?
I enjoyed it, but it was funny for
It was a tight corner. I noticed the spinning wasn't operating. It normally does spin, however it wasn't spinning today. I don't know why that is. Whether it's going to spin later on, maybe I'll keep an eye on it. There's also this little smaller roller coaster here. So if you're not quite up for the bigger Crash Test roller coaster, you can get yourself on this, which is called Speedy Coaster. So it's a child-friendly coaster here at Ocean Beach, which actually does look really good. There it goes away there. So I'm guessing you get 2 goes. Oh no, that's 3 goes, because it's been round twice already, so this is your 3rd go. So you must get, I'm assuming, 3 goes right round the track, which is really good. and into the station. So yeah, that is free goes on the Speedy Coaster, which is the child-friendly coaster here at Ocean Beach. There's also a Caterpillar coaster, which we all know and love. That's also here at Ocean Beach. But yeah, if you're more grown up, you want the thrill, ride of the coaster, it's definitely worth getting down to Crash Test, which is located actually at the front of the park, just off the promenade. You'll see the ride. You can't miss it. It's one of the tallest rides here. So get yourself down and ride. Crash Test. So we're gonna go and make our way over towards. I'm trying to think what it's like. It's almost like the Eagle's Claw at Lightwater Valley. I don't know what the name is, but I'll get the name when I'm over there. But we'll see you over there. Come off spring break. What did you think of that?
It was very good. It was a bit like the Eagle's Claw.
Very similar, very similar. Although I think it's spanned you quite a lot faster than the Eagle's Claw. And there was only 4 centre seats, where the Eagle's Claw has 5. I'm just noticing the music in the background. That is probably going to give me a copyright, so I'm dreading that when I come to editing this video. I think we'll want to go on this next, don't we? I don't know what it's called, but it's Ice Blast. So it does look really good. It's got Jet 1, Jet 2, Jet 3, so maybe it's Ice Jet, maybe?
Maybe.
We'll have a look, but it does look really good. It's very similar to the Walters, is that it goes up and down in a round circle, however it doesn't spin. But we'll get some off-ride footage for you as well. And then hopefully we'll touch on the tap and play cards. We'll do a little bit more of that in a quiet area so you can hear us a little bit better. So we'll get on whatever this ride is. We'll get the name for you. So we'll see you over there.
If you want to go scream if you want to go faster.
So we eventually got on the ice jet. We did have to go and top our cards up. What did you think of them?
What, top the cards up?
No, not the top they got. We'll talk about that in a minute. The ice jet.
Yeah, it was really good. It was very deceiving.
Yeah, like halfway through the ride jam, I was like, well, this is not very
Like,
good.
I don't say anything more,
And
but
then-
it's worth a ride.
Oh, definitely. It's got a hidden twist, but you'll see that in the off-road footage as well. So we'll get some off-road footage for you, and then we're going to talk about the tap and play cards, because Gemma's dying to give her review, an amazing review on these tap and play cards. So we'll see you over at the quiet area of the park. So to top up your fun card tap and play, you go on the top up, you click the amount that you're gonna want, and I'm gonna pick £10. It says then tap your card register on the thing, so tap it there, and then that is what you're gonna be charged, is £10, and you wanna choose your method of payment and direct debit. Would you like a receipt? No. Wait a few seconds, and that is it. £10 has been topped up on my fun card tap and play. So we're going to address the fun card tap and play now. So basically what you do is you go to a machine or a cashier at various places around the park, and you get a card. You have to register a card, to put your name in, what else do you put in? Your email and your phone number.
It's worth doing it at home.
Yeah, you can do this at home, and you can do it on the app. They've got an app which you can download on any smartphone. So definitely, if you're going to be coming to Ocean Beach, we recommend you do that straight away before you come to the park. You can pick up your card.
It's a minimum of £10 for a card.
Yes, so you have to put £10 top up onto the card. You can put more on, but £10 is minimum, and then you can go around and get certain rides and attractions. Now they're all different prices. The ones we've been on has been free tokens,
£3.
which is £3,
£3.50.
and then there's a £3.50 and a £4. But I'm sure some of the smaller rides and attractions, I haven't actually checked.
£2.50.
Yeah, you can get a £2.50 for the smaller ones, to a £1.50 and a £2 probably as well. So what we're just saying is, although that doesn't sound like a lot of money, it quickly racks up, especially when you're here with family. You're bringing your family, you have to bear in mind that is £2.50 or £4 at worst case scenario per ride, per person. So it can quickly rack up for just one ride.
And you can only top up in increments of £10.
Yes.
So
But
if you need another pound
yeah,
for a ride,
you're gonna have to put the full £10 on, and then I don't know yet if you can get a refund off the card, but I'm assuming you can't. So what's left on the card is gonna stay on the card, and unless you come back, you're gonna lose that money. But I will double check by the end of the video that for you. We'll head.
Maybe it's online, because if you look online, you might be able to top up in increments of £1 or £2.
And if we can, if we find somewhere where we can, we'll let you know as well. But currently, it's increments of £10 on the machines. We haven't been to the cashier yet. I think that's everything for the tap and play. I mean, they're probably better than the ticket system that they had originally, but they're still not the best.
Expensive.
God, I'm dying. So we're gonna head, where we're gonna head now?
I thought you wanted to do that scary ride.
Oh yeah. Maybe we'll have a wander down the other end of the park when I get my voice back. And Gemma's saying I'm going to do the scary ride. I don't know what it's called. What was it called?
Speed Buzz.
Speed Buzz. So I might see over towards Speed Buzz. I'm not quite feeling it yet, but we'll see. We'll see. But we'll see you around the park. It's our old friend Dumbo from Lightwater Valley. There's me and Gemma on the bottom.
Remember the pedal, guys.
Yeah, if you're gonna come on Dumbo, you have to remember that pedal, it takes you higher. As high as that one. They knew what they're doing. So we've just come off break dance. I was a break dancer. Break dance. Oh my god, and I feel ill.
Must have been on for about 20 minutes.
I know.
Spinning around.
We did say that it's expensive, but you do get your money's worth
you get
on the
your
ride.
time.
You
You
do,
get your time.
definitely. It is. The heavens have opened here at South Shields. It is starting to rain. We're all coated up in my hood. I've still got my pink hood. I was like, I'm not putting this jumper on for no one to see it. So my hood is up.
So I don't lose them in the park.
It
That's
is,
what
it is. So I think we're gearing up. I say we, me, to ride, what's it called again? Speed Buzz, which is basically the biggest thrill ride here at Ocean Beach. So I'm gonna get a ride on that. Hopefully it's not as long of a duration as what breakdance was, otherwise I might not be on the vlog. Gemma might be taking over. But Gemma might get some off-ride footage of me on Speed Buzz, but we'll see how good you are with the camera. Yeah, so we're gonna head over towards Speed Buzz, so we'll see you over there.
Come on, Charlie, man. How are Charlie?
Say hello! Look at the crazy loon.
I don't even know what it's called. What's it called again? Speedboats. Oh my god. That was intense. The upside down movements, and you're travelling really fast around the circumference, that's the word. It's a massive circumference, you are going a lot faster and it feels a lot faster. It actually looked really slow on the ground, but when you are riding the ride, oh Jesus, the intensity. It's definitely similar to ones that you find at like the Hoppins, the Townmoor Travelling Fun Fair at Newcastle, and probably other travelling fun fairs, bigger travelling fun fairs. And right next, I've picked a good place to review this ride. So we're going to go over towards the log flume for our last ride of the day, so I'll see you over there, hopefully a quieter area of the park. So for food here at Ocean Beach, we've got the Seaview Cafe, and we have a fish and chip restaurant here, the Blue Marlin. Is it Marlin? Is that like a type of fish? It is. I'm getting assured it's a type of fish. So that's two restaurants slash, well, they're takeaway only at the moment, sorry, but you can sit in them, get ice cream, teas, coffees and fish and chips. And this is situated over towards the right hand side of the park, so you can see the park there. There's also a lot of fast food restaurants. You can see a donut stand there. There's a lot of them dotted around the park. Gemma's noticed one which was a Yorkshire pudding wrap. So are you going to have one?
Well, I'm not quite sure yet because there's a lot of spinny things, so...
Yeah, I know. I am feeling ill after this park. And I tell you what, I've been to all the major theme parks here in the UK, but this one has made me the sickest out of them all, which is strange.
All spinny rides?
And they are all spinny rides, so that's what's done it. Apart from the roller coaster and the log flume, which we're going to finish on. But we're going to head over towards the log flume now, which is coincidentally where the Yorkshire pudding wraps also are, I think, isn't it? So we'll have a look at them as well, and hopefully Gemma will get one, I might even get one, and we'll be able to do a food review here as well. So we'll see you over there. So here is the Yorkshire pudding wrap outlet, and here is some of the pricings for, which is called the Ocean Menu Food Court. Pretty reasonable pricing here. So this is Gemma's roast beef wrap, roast beef Yorkshire wrap, Yorkshire pudding wrap. That's what I was thinking. And I've just had a burger. I mean, I don't feel that well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to have that. But we'll have a
£6. So
£6 for that, and mine was only £3, so that's not too bad. So we're going to eat that, and we'll give you a mark out of 10 of how good the Yorkshire pudding wrap is. Enjoy! So that's just had our food now. How did you find that rating out of 10?
I would say a 7.
A 7? Why is it not a 10?
Because it was a frozen Yorkshire pudding.
Frozen veg. So it was a 7, still nice though.
It was nice.
The burger was really nice. The burger was, I would say, about a 7 as well. It wasn't anything special. It was just a normal, traditional burger. But it got to 7 because it was reasonable price. They're not trying to take your eyeballs out here at Ocean Beach. So we're just gonna head through the park now. We've done most of the rides and attractions that we've wanted to do. We're just going to get some off-ride footage of some of the rides and attractions that we haven't been on, and we're going to get on the log flume, which is just beside us as well, for our last ride of the day. And then we'll have an overall closed down speech over towards the car at the other end of the park to review Ocean Beach and give our opinion on whether you should come here or not. So we have just noticed the haunted house here at Ocean Beach is closed. This is probably due to an inside attraction, and unfortunately with the restrictions currently here in the UK, the indoor attractions are closed. So that is a shame. However, I can assume that is going to reopen again on the 17th of May 2021. So hopefully on the 17th of May, this haunted house, which does look like it's had a complete retheme actually since I was last here, will reopen to the public. just come off the log flume. What did you think of that, Gemma?
Well, I'm rather wet, put it that way.
Yes, she is soaking, so am I, but it's not too bad. It's a small log flume, so it's capable for, or suitable for the entire family. It's nothing too major. I have got a video of the whole on-ride footage as well from a previous year, so I might put that on YouTube, so keep an eye on that and you'll be able to see on-ride footage as well as off-ride today of the log flume here at Ocean Beach. So now we're all soaking, we are going to be heading towards the car. At the car end, or the other end of the park, we will have the closing down speech. So we'll see you over there for the closing down speech here at Ocean Beach. So that is the day at a close here at Ocean Beach. You have enjoyed it, haven't you, Gemma?
I've enjoyed it, yeah.
So what
But
is your
it was
opinions on the park?
It was expensive. You need a bloody small mortgage, especially if you've got kids.
Yeah, it does quickly rack up. We didn't touch on that when we were talking about the card. You have to put £10 on the card. We haven't seen anywhere where you can get it cheaper. So I'm assuming that is the case. £10 is the minimum. And then you have to bear in mind, if you're going to go on a ride, which is 4 credits, and there's 4 of you, it's 4 times 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16. That's £16 for just one ride. So that is going to quickly rack up throughout the day. Especially, I'm not saying all the rides are £4, some are £2, some are £3.50, some £3. So you just have to work that out. But it is going to quickly, especially when you add on food as well. And then normally there's the bowling, the amusements are open, so there's all them extra charges. There's also the laser quasar here, and behind us there is an indoor play area for the younger kids. So all of that costs money as well, so it is going to quickly rack up. Ride operations, everything was open except the Ghost Train, which was an indoor ride, which due to the restrictions that have closed, obviously the bowling and the indoor play area are closed as well. The coronavirus situation apparently is non-existent in South Shield. There's no corona. I mean, the only thing that what they did have, they had hand sanitizers throughout the park.
And they had announcements throughout the day.
Which they didn't listen to themselves. The staff didn't really care. In fact, I've seen staff didn't even wear face masks.
Face masks weren't enforced on any ride.
The tap and go, or whatever, the fun card, I think that is a negative towards the coronavirus, because you're actually touching the screens which everyone else is touching. So that's probably not the best either. But no, other than that, they are monitoring who comes in and out the park. They've got a number, so they have security on the gate, which is not like Ocean Beach, because normally you can just walk in and out as you please. You can still do that, but when there's get to nearer whatever the capacity number is, they'll stop people entering the park, which is a good thing. I think that's the main thing that they've implemented here at Ocean Beach, new for the 2021 season. However, that might just because it's a bank holiday and they think it's going to be busy, so they've put that in for security, because it was an external security company. I did notice that as well. And I think that's it. Yeah. We've had a really good day. We've had a good weekend, in fact. I think the next place we're going to be is M&D's and Edinburgh Zoo. So M&D's in Scotland, which is Scotland's only theme park, and Edinburgh Zoo, which is a really well-renowned zoo up in Scotland. So definitely looking forward to them. That's not going to be next weekend, it's going to be the weekend after. So that's where we're going to be there. And I think that's everything for today. Please subscribe, please comment on anything we've missed, or anything you want to see, or any places you want us to go to review, any places near you that we might not know. Please put them down in the comments. Anything that we've missed, like I said, at Ocean Beach today, please just put a comment down, and maybe next time when we return we'll be able to review that. But I think we've just about got everything. Please like or dislike if you didn't like the video, but hopefully it's a like. And all that's left to say is thank you for watching the United Kingdom Attraction channel. Stay safe, guys. Bye.